Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Yesterday, Zaatar Gardens channel hit 500,000 views, and I never thought I can amass that many views, and I didn't think many people would care about my garden or myself. I'm a bit different as a gardener. I don't really follow the books, you could say, or research papers or what have you. I just look towards nature. My videos are averaging 3 minutes each, sometimes a minute and a half. Most gardening channels, if you ask them a question, in my experience, when I used to just watch YouTube channels for gardening, they didn't respond, and I'm responding on average 2 minutes or 3 minutes to answer a question. So everything I do, I'm trying to not be a regular, what's Lulu doing? Playing with the peach again. So everything I do is going against the grain, you could say. But obviously with 500,000 views, it shows that people like it. So let's push for another 500,000 views, get this channel up to 1 million, and I thank all of you. Your subscriptions, your likes, even your dislikes, your shares, your comments. So let's just keep this going. So what I'm gonna go into now is I'm watching, not really commentating on a older video I haven't seen in 2 years, I think. This month or last month would be 2 years old, of me trying to create a video of why my cactus nopales isn't flowering or producing the prickly pears, just producing a whole bunch of pads. But my son at the time, I think, was 3 years old. He does a funny interruption. So let's go to that right now.
Hello everyone, this is Moses from
Zaatar Gardens. This is a video on my nopales or nopal mission cactus, cactus fruit, prickly pear, whatever you want to call it. I've had this plant for 3 years. It was just a pad down there, the big pad on.
Daddy!
He's yelling at the bird on the neighbor's roof. There's this little bird. You see that little bird right there?
Yeah, you gotta kiss it.
Right here on my knuckle. He's yelling at it saying, "Just be quiet and get out of my room." My son's saying, "Get out of my room."
It's Daddy's garden!
Get Dad at Daddy's garden. He's shooting the bird now with the water gun.
Get Daddy's garden! It scared him away.
Good job, son. Okay, what was I talking about?
Oh my God. I haven't seen that in such a long time. Oh, my little kid. I still didn't do that video. The video was going to be about how come my nopales is not producing any flowers or fruit. Look how many leaves were on it, or pads. Oh, my son's something else. Yeah, he saw a little hummingbird on a roof or on a limb. Oh, wow. Amazing. So once again, I hope to do 500,000 more views. Minimum. I love doing this. I love sharing my garden and sharing my life with people. All right, everyone. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.